Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PlayStation 5 update speed. First, let's address your network connection, as a strong and stable signal is essential for quick downloads. Try moving your PlayStation 5 closer to your wireless router, aiming for a distance of no more than 3 to 5 feet if possible. Obstacles like walls or large furniture can also significantly weaken your Wi-Fi signal, so consider their placement. A strong, clear signal makes a big difference. For optimal speed and stability, prioritize using an Ethernet cable if at all possible. This direct connection eliminates wireless interference and generally offers superior bandwidth. If you must use Wi-Fi, consider adjusting your console's domain name system, or DNS, settings. Navigate to your network settings and manually input primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS as 8.8.4.4 for Google's public servers. This small change often yields noticeable improvements. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. Try fully powering down your PlayStation 5, unplugging it from the power outlet for about 30 seconds, then restarting it. Do the same for your internet router and modem. Additionally, you can rebuild your console's database in safe mode. With the console off, press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep, then connect your controller and select Rebuild Database. This can streamline data access. Your available storage space directly impacts update efficiency. If your console's solid-state drive is nearly full, it can struggle to process large updates quickly. Ensure you have at least 50 gigabytes or even 100 gigabytes of free space by deleting unused games or media. For downloads that seem stuck, try pausing the download, waiting a few seconds, and then resuming it. This can often kickstart the process by forcing a new connection to the servers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.